Pain is not the problem. Yes. Pain is uncomfortable. Yes. Pain is scary. But pain is only a signal, not the cause. If pain was the real problem, painkillers would cure back pain forever. But they don't. Stay with me. This will change how you see pain. Most people treat pain directly. Tablets, rest, random exercises from YouTube. Pain reduces for some time. Then it comes back. Why? Because pain was never the real problem. Think of pain like a fire alarm. The alarm is loud, annoying, impossible to ignore. But switching off the alarm does not stop the fire. Pain tells you something is wrong. It tells you your body is under stress. It tells you your spine is not supported. Pain is the message, not the mistake. It's a signal. Why pain appears? Your spine is strong, but it is not meant to work alone. It needs support from breathing, from deep core muscles, from pelvic control. What goes wrong? When this support system switches off, your spine takes extra load. Over time, that loads become pain. Not injury, not damage. Overload. Just overload of your spine. Common mistake. This is where most people go wrong. They strengthen muscles on top of a weak base. That's like building a house on a loose soil. That's why even gym-fit people have back pain. Strong muscles don't mean stable spine. Strength without control creates more stress. Now listen carefully. This part is important. Pain does not mean your spine is weak. It means your support system is confused. Breathing connection. Most people don't realize this. Their breathing affects their back pain. Shallow breathing switches off deep core support. That's why posture correction alone fails. You cannot hold posture without internal control. Control comes first. Posture follows. Stretching feels good. Massage feels good. But relief is temporary because the cause is untouched. This is good news because pain is reversible when you fix the system behind it. What to fix first? You don't start with exercises. You start with breathing, core activation, pelvic control. Why this works? Once support returns, the spine relaxes. Pain reduces naturally. I see this every day in my clinic. People don't need stronger backs. They need better control. Let's summarize. Pain is not the problem. Pain is the signal. The pain is loss of control. In the next video, I'll explain what actually causes pain and what daily habits silently destroying your spine. If this made sense, watch the next video in this series. And remember, fix the system, not the symptom. Like, share, and subscribe to Mobility Matters.